Sir, can you see me?
No.
Okay.
So let's wait, guys. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. Relax and start with. I'm only able to see Darshit Sethi. No one else. Yeah, no one else. So guys, let's wait for 2-3 more minutes, okay, so that everyone joins, and then we're gonna start with our session. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Till then, you can proceed with your steps. You know how to do that, right? You need to go where you can start with that. Open the platform my code, and we'll wait for guys 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna start. Okay. You can start with where you are, guys. If you have joined late for this session, we already had 4 sessions last week. This is our 5th session. So those who are on level 6, 10 and all, please try to practice and move to higher levels. We have already completed more than 20 levels. We were in the 23 fourth level. So those who are back, yeah, please try to practice and move on. And I'll come to you, name one. I'll come to you for that thing. You have cracked it, very good. So now, okay. Those who know how to do, you can start with. We'll wait 1 more minute and then we're gonna start with our session. Let's we already wait for 4 minutes, 1 more minute, so that some people or more join, and then we're gonna start with our session on practice of hackathon ICO. Right. Okay, those who know how to do in 5 steps can put it in the chat. Let me see what idea you got for that label, and then we're gonna proceed with that. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna start with that. So, where do you know everyone what to type? www.icode.org, right? And those who have cracked that, okay, we'll open iCode, everyone, and then we're gonna go to Global Hackathon. Everyone knows this tab. We'll click on. If we have not registered, click on register now. You sign up with your account. Otherwise, go to this. Put your email address over there. Okay, and send verification code to my email address. So verification has been sent to my mail. It's 538 and 571. So we're gonna put that 538 571 and there we start with the blocky advanced one. So I'm seeing the chat. Yes, sir. set A to 1, repeat 4 times. Dave step A, change A by 1, Dave turn left. Okay, so we were doing this one, right? So someone is saying that set A to 1. Okay, very good. I'm doing that. Set A to 1, and we are taking repeat. Okay, we are taking repeat, and inside that we are taking 4 times this idea. Then step A. Okay, then step A. Okay, change A by 1. Okay, okay, and we've turn left. Okay, inside repeat everything, right? Now, let me see. Excellent. Excellent. Who did that? What was the name of the child? The first answer was given by Ahan. Well done, child. Well done. Good. Very good. See, so now you see how many blocks we use for this program, right? Okay, okay. So yeah, you can take help from me. So I told you, you can use other way also to do this. Okay, right? Yes, Nirmal, you are also right. Okay, so we use A because let me tell you, we use A because every time our steps are increasing by one, right? For here it was going one, two step, again three, then four steps to collect third item. First item, second item, and third item. Every time the step was increasing by one. So why we need more blocks, right? Why we always take they move one, two step, then turn left, then they three step turn left. Instead of that, take a repeat. Right. Every time inside repeat, take Dave, you have set a step for Dave. They will move one step over here. Right. So they move one step, then Dave turn left, and then Dave try to do the same thing, and again it's keep on changing the step plus one, and it kept on collecting the items. So that's the logic which I was looking for from your side, so that you use less block and you get 3 stars. So 2 stars is fine. That's not bad. But yeah, you need a 3 stars in hackathon to be at good position to win prizes, right? So that's why I wanted to give you ask you from your side to please see if you can. But you cracked it very good. So now we're gonna come to yes. No, I told you every code can be done using 3-4 programs. You select you see what is convenient to you. Now you have chicken post and you know how to code it. It's very simple of the blocking part. Just you need to be conscious regarding blocks. You take less blocks and you do. Okay, you try to practice. We just are here for the practice, nothing else, right? So as much you practice, as much you think, you try to do the code, okay, by yourself. Okay, so don't try to do a code which gives you a 1 star. That means you have to practice more and more and more. 2 star means you have to practice little bit more. 3 star if you are getting every time means you are perfect at coding. You will be at good position in the hackathon. You will win prizes and all. Okay. So now let's move to our next code. Okay, let me run it quickly. Let's move to our next level, and it will be 22, I guess. Okay. So there we go. Next level. Now, here are 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just remember, here also same logic will be applied. Same logic will be applied. See, they will facing towards this side, minus x side. So he needs to turn right and then see 1 and then again turn right 2 steps. 2 steps, 2 steps. Then again, sorry, 4 steps. Again, he will turn what? Right or left? He is facing left. Again, he will turn, move 2 steps and 3 steps and see. Every time here he is moving 1 step, here he is moving 2 steps, here he is moving 3 steps, here he will move 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see here also same logic will be applied. Let me check who does this. Keep on doing, everyone. Yes, tell me, put it in the chat. Same here also, you can take change a by something variable 1, okay. And also same uh, 2 steps, 1 plus 1 repeat, okay. Same like that. So first we need to move this. I'll tell you how to start with. First we need to move that div to right hand side. Everything. Okay. Now if it moved right side, now you apply your logic. What you need to take variable and all. So you will be taking after this the repeat. Okay. How many items needs to be collected? How many times you need to move? 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, and 3 times. So 3 repeat. Now you need to change A by 1. That's fine. Who has done this? And change B by 2. Okay, you're applying B also. Okay, cut. So now we change the B by 2 as per your. Okay. More answers, who knows this? Now what are we gonna do? A is only changing 1, B is changing by 2. That's step A. Okay. What you are saying and doing that. Okay. That's step A. And they have turned right. Okay. Now it is label 22. Okay. Then step B. Okay. And then they've turned left. Okay. And they've turned right. Okay. This is right. Let me see. That's not right. So please tell which level is this. Please don't spam who has joined. Focus on your part. It's a session of learning, right? Practicing. So whichever level you have joined late. So that's why you are. This is level 22. Okay, this is our fifth session on hackathon practice. Okay, I'm not adding at. Okay. See, let me see if you can try this. See how less block you use, and every time they will move it. But see, your start is 2. Your start is 2. Means you have used a block which is 1 or 2 blocks which is more. That's fine, you have cracked this, but I have told you have to get 3 stars. So think the logic more, how you can get 3 stars. And rest, those who are doing on which level, some are on 10, 12 and all, keep on practicing the levels, children, by yourself. Okay, this is all about the practice session, right? So keep on practicing the level, and uh, most of you might be on 22, or some might be on more than 30 levels also. Those who are doing at the home. So keep on practicing. You know how to do it, right? It's all about session where you give 1 hour off to the practice. Rest, I'm also doing with you. I'm just interacting. How good do you think about the coding? How logically you think? Some of you think, let me tell you brilliantly about this I code hackathon. They just use less number of blocks, and they use the idea which sometimes is brilliant, right? Like Holmes, Hershey, 2, 3 people more. I'm just forgetting the name. You guys are doing well. Okay, so keep on practicing, and those who are doing the levels which are on 10, 6, 8, keep on doing and be fast, because you need to catch us. You need to be with us, right? So everyone has done log-based coding, Scratch and all. So I don't need to explain you what is the use of this, what is the use of that. You know all the logic. You are doing most projects. Some of you might have been doing Python also, I guess. Right. So you know the logic. What is A and B? What is the use of that repeat and all? You might have used in the Scratch. So you don't need to ask that, sir, what is repeat and why we take this. It's all about idea. So I'm giving you an idea. But if you ask what is A and B, just think it's a variable. Okay. Just think A and B is your variable and you are changing it. Suppose in any program, remember one thing, children, in a program, if something is changing continuously, means it is a variable. You are changing it inside a program. So A and B are your variables which you are changing it inside repeat every time. Correct? Scratch doesn't have challenges. Scratch has more challenges than this. This is just a simple coding like a block you are connecting and solving puzzles. Scratch is not all about that. Scratch is about making program, right? More and more program coding it. Correct. So from there, you know the logics of block. So let's not chat in the class. Let's not be okay. Okay. Let's not chat on this. And just let's focus on our this. Right on. Now let's come to our next code quickly. If you are getting some other logic other than this, please try to do it by yourself. Please. Right. No issues. Please don't surpass it. Just now. Let's move to the next level. One block we have used extra. That's why it is giving us 2 stars. 25th, 5 we have used steps. Right. That's the reason. It is giving us 2 stars. If you use one less, you have an idea to use less, we can solve it. You can do it. Yeah, because I'm presenting that's why. Let's move to, without wasting time, we need to be quick also, right? Now we are on the label 23 and let me see, we are on the label 23, wait, in unit 3. So we have total 5 units. We'll try to complete it this week, okay, on the labels, so you get more time to practice now again one more time on these labels by yourself. Now, this is your base. This is your item, and you need to collect this item from here to here. How you will go? Remember, Dave is facing towards y direction. This side, y. This side. So he will move one step forward. Then he will turn left, and then again he will move one step. Okay, then he will turn again left and move 2 steps, again left 2 steps, left 3 steps, left 2 steps. See, every time Dave is moving 1 step here, 2 steps here, and you can write over here 3 steps over here. So every time one is changing, moving left, 1 step is increasing. 1 step, 2 steps, and 1, 2, 3 steps. So see the logic. Again, you have to take a variable a, where you will be changing it by 1. Okay, I'll tell you, child, how you will see if there is on right or left. See, this is there, right, child? who asked the question? Shreya. Okay, Shreya. So see, now you see this Dave. If you see this this side, this is his back side, and when there is a I, means it is his front side. So right now Dave is facing which side? Towards, let me draw this. Every time, suppose this is Dave, right? This is his back side, this is back, this is his front, okay, and this is his back. So right now his eyes is on the front, so he's facing towards this side. So he will move 1 step from here. Now, assume that this is Dave, you are Dave. Put yourself in front of Dave, which side he's facing. You will see this will be his left side and this will be his right side. Right. So now where he needs to move? Left or right to move here? So it will move left, right? So left 1 step. Again here he will come, he will move again left 2 steps. So that's how you come to know which side he is facing, left or right, where he needs to turn, right? So this is how you can assume it. Just assume yourself in place of Dave. Put yourself like that same position and see, this will be your left hand, this will be your right hand. Okay, if you get confusion, try to do that. Right, child. Let me see who cracked it first. Okay. 1 step, turn left, 1. What is 1 plus 1 repeat? Okay, you take that. 1 plus 1 repeat. Okay, this block, right? Okay, that's also fine. You apply your 1 step, turn left, 1 plus 1 repeat, 2 plus 2, turn left 3 steps. What does this mean, Adish? Okay, I'll tell you. They one step, they've turned left. You are saying this, right? Okay. More people, those who are doing this level, you guys also see now people are joining, children are joining now, and when they will miss, they'll tell that I missed this, I'm on this level. Try to be on time, children, everyone who join this session. Try to be at 6 o'clock sharp or latest by 5 past 6. 5 minutes is fine, but you are joining after half an hour, so it will create problems. No issue with that. Let's move to our level. So see, first Dave will be going one step. That's correct. He'll be turning left. That's fine. Now here comes your logic. Someone is saying turn left after turn left. 1 plus 1. Repeat. You are saying in repeat you're gonna take 1 plus 1 like this. Right. You are saying this. Inside repeat you're gonna take 1 plus 1. Right? You're saying this. Yes. Yes. I understood what you are saying. I understood, Adit. Now, see guys, he is using this idea. Someone can use some other idea also. Or someone can directly call it like they one step, turn left, they move one step again, turn left, they move two step again, turn left, they move two step again, turn left, they move three step again, turn left, they move two steps and can crack it, but you will get only one or two star for that. So that's why I'm telling you to put a logic inside. Apply your logic, how you can crack this to reach this level, to this item. Okay, now see children. Now you're gonna come over here every time they repeat 2 times. Okay, 1 plus 1 every time. Okay. Tell me one thing. How you if you're putting 1 plus 1 repeat child, 2 plus 2 turn left 3 steps. You're saying this 2 plus 2 turn left 3 steps. How it will be 2 plus 2 turn 3 steps. I understood your turn left means they've turn left. But how you gonna put 2 plus 2 inside your repeat? It can't be fit like this. Correct? Some more idea? Keep on thinking. Those who are doing. There are lots of people who, what about Harshit? What about all those who were doing last time? Vedant, you can also try, you can also see. Ahan, you can also try. Shreya. Shreya, you're on which level? 9th? Then 23. Okay, okay. So try, see, use less number of blocks. Child, again I'm telling, use less number of blocks to code. Don't use more number of blocks. Those who have joined this session first time or second time, they are new to this. So I'm telling again, please take less number of blocks to crack it. So now you can see levels are becoming harder, right? Before you were able to crack it. See, people are joining now. Harshit, Pahan, what about you? Anyone who can crack it in one time? Okay. Those who cracked, let me see how you did that. Those who have cracked and got 3 stars, they are praisable. And those who have cracked and got 2 stars, that's fine. 1 star means you need to practice. See, in a hackathon, if you want a good stand of your position in your ranking, every time when you crack any program in the I code, you have to get 3 stars. You have to get 3 stars. Remember. Okay. So let me see. Vivith has cracked it. Sir cracked. Okay. So you got how many stars, Vivith? Digant Vishal. Okay, you got 2 stars. Okay, fine, no issue. You got 3 stars. So you applied the variable logic, right? Okay. Okay. So share your thoughts with the in the chat with everyone. Let everyone also know. See, those who got 3 stars, they can share their thoughts in the chat. Okay, sir, this is how I do. So those who are doing and those who are not able to do can see and do it, and then you can apply your brain how that child is doing. Okay, so I'm just an intermediate between you guys. You guys have to do everything because you this is your hackathon. I'll just tell you how to do it. What about Harshit? He is on which level? Harshit, you have completed level 30 and all. Last time you were on level 30. They are trying. Okay, no issue, child. Try. Harsh, on which level? Medans, you are on which level? Adesh. No, child. Your video is black. But I will just see you. Okay. Anyone who cracked with 2 stars. Okay. So apply your logic how to crack the code set. Right. So in this you won't get any what we say hints for cracking. You have to crack. Okay. Those who are saying I'm not able to crack it and all. Okay. So see, first, let me delete this. Okay. Then, so now you see, simple, just for a simple, okay, while we are doing a simple programming for this, not applying any logic right now. See, now you are able to do which format will be used for hackathon. It's upon you change how you use format your logic. Blocks will be same like this, okay, but you have to use. See, someone is getting 3 stars, someone is getting 1, and someone is getting 2. It depends upon the level of coding you know how you crack it. So practice session, all those blocks which are here will be there also, but this will be not the program will be different. You will be using your format how you crack it. So now just listen, I was telling you about something. Now simple, who can crack it with a using a simple uh, coding, means only using blocks and you can crack it. Doesn't matter which star. First you crack by that. Sir, please don't spam. Someone is spamming service format for hackathon. Now, what you're gonna do is just see. I'll show you a simple one. One step, turn left. Again, one step. Just see. I'm not telling this is correct code. Just see what will you will see over there. One step. Now turn left one step. Again, he needs to turn right, right or left. He's facing toward this side, so he face toward this, then move. Now he needs to turn right, right. Dave turns right. He comes over here, facing this side. Move 2 steps. See what is happening. He will move 2 steps. Okay, 2 steps, and then he again needs to turn left or right. He will be turning towards left hand side. Okay, so left hand side again he will turn left. Just see the what is happening. One time he's turning left, moving 1 step, again turning right, moving 2 steps, again he will turn left. Now you see how many steps we need to move. 1, 2, 2 steps. See the logic. Somewhere you can use repeat, where you can use and you can crack it. Okay, 2 steps. So now he was here, he moved left, right, he moved 2 steps, again move left, he moved 2 steps, he came here. Now again he gonna turn right, right, he will turn right again and he will move 3 steps this thing. They turn right and move, take 3 steps. See, 3 steps. Now he moved 3 steps, again he needs to turn left. Hi everyone, hi, who have joined late. Hello everyone. You guys are late today. We wait, Praful. And now again he needs to move how many steps? 1, 2. They move 2 steps. Or you can take 3 also, no issues, but you can go at 1 higher. Now you see. So we got 2 stuff for that, right? We didn't got 3, we got 2. Now you see. Every time see the logic from here. They've 1 step, they've turned left. From here, they've turned left, right, 1, turn right 2, turn left 2, turn right 3, turn left 3. So every time when turn left is coming, it is increasing plus 1. We are doing level 23 child. So see, children, everyone who was asking for the level. If you are not able to crack with the less number of blocks, try to do it manually with the more number of blocks. Don't run it right now when you are doing. Just see the logic, what is coming. After turn left, it is moving one step. After turn right, it is moving two steps for one. Now again, when it is turning left for the second time, it is moving two steps. And if it is turning right for the second time, it is turning three steps, moving three steps. Again turn left, three steps. So every time when it is turning left, it is increasing the step by one. Correct? So you can do that same logic A and B you can use, or you can increase A plus one like that for the step inside your step. Dev step plus one. So how many times repeat it is doing? 1, 2, 3 times. Right? So you can do that for that, and you can apply your logic inside it. Correct? Now you see which logic you can apply and you can crack it from here. This will be fine. Save one step. Now you take a repeat and you can apply how many times it is turning left. 1, 2, 3 times. So you can put 3 over here. Right? Now take your set, change A by like that. Set A to whatever step you want to do, and then you change Dev step by A. Who cracked it now? Anyone have the code of level 7? You are on level 7. Who is on level 7? Wait. Now see, this much simplification I have done. Now who can just do it? Javit has done. Javit, don't put the answer right now. Don't put the answer. Okay, you have done it. Very good. Rest of you guys, crack it. David, you can practice next one. You can move to 24 if you have done it. No, don't sit. You just move. Right? Yeah. What about Digant and all Shreya and who were doing? Darshat. I am making code of 24. Yeah, sure. Sir, crack the code. Now everyone child, please wait. Everyone will wait. Everyone. No one will proceed with now. See, when I simplified the code, remember child, please everyone focus over here. Very important thing for your hackathon. Forget about the logic right now. Forget about the logic. Just remember one thing. This was our map. You don't know how to put logic. Suppose I don't know anything about logic and all. You know, you have done coding in Scratch. You have done Python, right? You know what this puzzle, how it will be solved. How it will be solved. You will move one step forward. He will turn left. He will move one step. Try to do code like this way first. Don't put any logic. You will think, sorry, what sir is saying. Sometimes he says put logic and now he's saying don't put logic. Why? I'll tell you the reason. Once you try to do it like this way, you will be able to see something. What you will be able to see? You will see whenever it is turning left inside code, every time it is changing, they will changing is step by one. Every time. And when it is turning right, every time one. So from here you can crack it. Okay. So it will be like this. So logic will be means every time step will be changing by one. So there you can put your logic from here by simplifying it. So always try to simplify the code first. Then you try to put logic. If you are not able to crack it at once, always do this thing and then you try to crack it and delete this one and then you run the code. You'll get 3 star every time. This is the secret behind the 3 star. Those who don't know how to crack these type of levels, always simplify it first. Try to put logic after that because you guys are done coding, so you know how to put logic after looking at the code, whole code, right? So now many of you have told, sir, I can try use all now. Every code. So now many of you have cracked after this, right? When I simplified it, many of you cracked it. Shreya, you cracked it, right? I got one more answer from Digant that I cracked it. So see, this is how it is done. Don't try to be think that yeah, I am very good coder, I'll crack it at once. No, don't do that. If you want to be at good position in hackathon, you want to earn prizes and all certificates, and you have to go to finance, make sure you apply this logic first, and then you try with the your logical using less block. Try to do it with more block, then you use less block, and then you crack it. This is how you will get 3 star every time, children. Okay, let's move to next. Every time I say the let me move it fast. Now comes with the 24th. Now here you see, here we have lots of items to collect. Just remember one thing, he or they, everyone, no answer should be kept inside chat right now. Sir, after 30 level, we can't do any more levels. Do it and okay, we'll come to that. Now, we should move spaceships. Right, you are right. So see, now you're getting idea. So right now, just look one thing. You need to collect all these items, okay? All these items, and you have your spaceship. So you'll be moving Dave or you'll be moving spaceship first. You have to select that. Someone told spaceship will be moved. That's fine. Can't go steps. Who told spaceship can't go steps? What is this block used? Who is saying this? Answer. Let me see. Adesh Surya Tej. Okay, minus step. Yeah, that's right. This spaceship can't go minus step. Yeah. That's I got it. Now, see the logic first. How, where you have to move this spaceship. Spaceship is right now here, right? Spaceship is right now here. How he will collect all the items. Think how he can collect all the items. What should be done? Those who are saying spaceship can't move back, haven't we did the code where spaceship was like this and we tried to rotate it back for collecting items? Did you forget that thing? How it was done? Yes, right. Shreya. spaceship can turn right 2 times or turn it left 2 times. It will turn towards from this side. If it is facing like this, it will turn like this. 2 times left. If it is facing like this, 2 times right means it will turn right. Again, it will turn right. It will become like this from this to this. And if it is turning left, this again this. Right. This logic. Why you guys are forgetting when you are moving to the next level? Please don't forget that. You have done this change 2 times right. Yes, very correct. Spaceship, if it spaceship moves, just see. Once I'll just show you something. Like I'm not running the code, I'm just showing you. 2 times right I'm taking. Run it. See, spaceship is now moving, looking at this, right? Just facing towards this. Now you can select all the items. Correct. So now, how to crack this code? Can you put a map? Map right now, this map is not available for me. But there is no orange color, right? Let's try this. Anyone can crack this code. Even you can crack this code, or someone else also can crack this code. What matters is the time. What will matter in the hackathon is the time, guys. Those who have joined, I'm telling this again and again. Ritvik can also crack it. David can also crack it. Shreya can also crack it. Digant can also crack it. But everyone can crack it at different times. Someone can crack it at this level with less time. Someone will do it with 5 minutes. Someone will do it in 10 minutes. Who will crack it in 1 minute 30 seconds? He will be declared winner. No, who cracks it in 5 minutes? He can't be declared winner. So make sure you crack these levels in less number of time. Everyone. Okay, make sure that you crack these levels in less number of time, and doesn't matter you're getting 2 stars. Sir, I cracked level 23. Okay. Okay. So how much time you took for 23? Just suppose you took more than 15 minutes, everyone, Shreya and all. That's why we are having this class. To mentor you, to give you, I know everyone knows coding. There is none of the child in this session who doesn't know code. Everyone knows code. Everyone is learning coding. They know how to code it. The thing depends and is on the time. How you use your time. How much less time you need to crack it. Okay. So I'll tell you one thing, everyone. This level, a hint is given for you. You need to move this spaceship first over this side, not over this side straight. Remember one thing, this spaceship will not move first this side. It will move towards right first. It will collect these items. Then he will move back again and he will collect all these items. If you try to collect these items first, he will be stuck over here and more number of blocks will be used. So try to move this spaceship this side first. Try collect these and then you try to collect all these items. Okay, do it as your homework. Those who are on the level is 25, fifth, right, or fourth, right. So I'll be checking it. We have this next session day after tomorrow, I guess, Thursday. I'll be checking that. Okay, who got more stars or who got less stars or who cracked with less number of blocks. But today we keep till here. Okay, some stars. Okay. So let's meet on the Thursday, same time. Okay. And we'll try to do it more 3-4 steps. Till 30, we'll try to do it on Thursday. Please, everyone, be on time. 5 past 6. Everyone should be in this session. Those who are coming every day, please don't join late. Okay. Bye bye. Bye, Shreya. Bye bye. Everyone. Bye bye. Bye. Please make sure you keep this on your mind that time matters in this hackathon. Time is very important. Try to do the code in less number of time. This is a tip for everyone. Okay. Yeah. Let's meet in the next session. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye, everyone.